A dream I had. We were at home, me and my stepson. His father was at work. I was sitting on the bed while he was playing on the ground. He was happily playing when something caught his interest. It was the light switch. He walked towards the door where the switch was. I told him to stop playing with the switch, or I'll call his daddy. He stopped and sat back down to play.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
That's when I saw it. The long, dark, bony hand of a creature. It slowly held onto the doorpost, as if it wanted to take a peek into the room. It had beautiful feathers, but its hand showed its true colors. I ran towards the door to plead the blood of Jesus, but it disappeared.
Like and follow for more.